Good day everyone, I'm GARCIANO and I will be discussing the Polyas problem solving. The Polyas four-step problem solving strategy made by Dr. George Polya made seminal contributions to probability, combinatorial theory, and conflict analysis. His work on random walk and his famous enumeration theorem have been widely applied. He was regarded as the father of the modern emphasis in math education on problem solving. So to discuss the four-step problem-solving strategy, we'll start with the number one, the first step, understand the problem. What do I know about the problem? What is it asking me to do? Can I restate the problem in my own words? What is the main goal of this problem? Second is devise a plan. What strategy should I use to solve the problem? I should make a list of known information. I should make an organized list that shows all the possibilities. For our third step, we should carry out the problem. What steps should I take to find the answer? I should keep an accurate and neat record of all my attempts. I should work carefully. For our last step, the review the solution. Does my answer make sense? Is there another way to solve the problem? I should check my answer for accuracy. And I should learn from which plan worked and did not work. So, to have an in-depth knowledge about this Polyas problem-solving strategy, let's have a sample. So, for our problem number one, there are 364 first grade students in Park Elementary School. If there are 26 more girls than boys, how many girls are there? So, let's proceed to our four-step problem-solving strategy. So, to have a concise, complete, and to have an in-depth knowledge about the four-step problem-solving strategy, let's start with the first step. Understand the problem. There are some way to find the solution, but let me try this one based on what I understand. I'm now assuming that every student is either a girl or a boy, and so half of the student will be 182, and half the extra girls would be 13. So the number of girls is 182 plus 13 will be 195. So let's start to have a plan on how to compute this. Given that there are 364 students, let's put first the 26 girls aside for a moment. That will be the extra girls. So the remainder should be equally boys and girls. So let's try to compute it. For our third step, let's carry out the problem. 364 minus 26 is equals to 338. The 364 is the student, the 26 is the extra girls. So half of those are girls and half of those are boys. The next is 338 divided by 2 is equals to 169. So that's how many boys we have. Now let's take the 169 in which is how many girls we have, not including the ones we set aside for a few moments ago. That will be the 26 girls. And we will add back the 26 girls, so it will be equal to 195. So that will that will be the count of the girls we have. So we quickly check it that 169 plus 195 it's equals to 364 where we started in. So let's review the solution. Interpreting the given using the simple solution that we use, it can clearly solve the problem correctly. And so that's how simply we use the four-step problem solving by Dr. George Polya. Thank you for listening.